Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Trendsi. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on sign up for free. After doing that, you're being given the options to log in with Google, Facebook, or your email or phone number. So right now it would be easier for me to log in with Google, so I'm just going to do that. After clicking on it, we will be given the options to choose an account. So I'm going to choose the Peter Automation account, which is my main account. And then after that, click on continue. And we're in. So here, let's say that we're creating an account. It's so first we're gonna enter our name, then our business, and in the end our store. So let's first name net, last name tech, and after that enter our phone number. So here's the phone number, and we can enter a referral code if we have one, but we don't have, so we're just gonna click on continue. So our business, select all that apply. How do we sell? Okay, that's we sell by pay tabs, ads, live selling, and affiliate marketing. Okay, what's our website? Let's say that it's www.nettech123.com, and the monthly revenue is between 1k and 4k a month. So we, in the end, what categories do we sell? Let's say that we sell men's clothing, shoes, and outwear. How do we hear about Trendsi? Let's say that we have heard it from Google search, and do we use comment sold? Let's say no. Okay, but now with what do you want to connect? With Shopify or with a TikTok shop? Let's do this later. And now I'm just going to give you a quick preview of the Trendsi main page. So here's a Valentine's Day the Valentine's Day sales promotion. We so because soon it will be Valentine's Day for me, at least, so people are going to buy Valentine's Day themed things, and it's really trending right now, and it would give you a lot of exposure if you want to sell these kind of things. So now if you'd like to buy anything Valentine's Day, let's say let's open this link. We just wait for a few seconds to load, and now we will see the Valentine's Day product. Here is it. Everything is themed around love and everything. So here are the tops, women tops, like with a heart again. So you can buy it for $15, and after that you can sell it for $22, and again make profits, because a lot of people will buy it from you if you are exposed, guys. I mean that if you're exposed to the bazaar and you are well known and well searched, you'll get a lot of traction right here with these things themed around. Again, you can if you're not about women's clothing, you can like you can like enter in the search bar men, like, okay, let's just enter men, and I think that this should, yes, now things should come here, and by category we can see now here, let's say we want activewear. We just wait again for a few seconds to load. And okay, I guess it again turned us into the women's clothing section. And whatever, guys. So it's mainly focused around women. If you like to buy men's things, you can, but it's not that widely supported. So it's basically women's clothing and loungewear and underwear, jewelry, home pets, I guess for pets things, for home decorations. Oh, here's the men's clothing. Okay, so can we just at least look at the men's clothing? Okay, whatever. So I'm just, let me right now show you the pricing. It's free to install, but let me show you this. Okay, so Trendsi doesn't have pricing, so it's really good for that. And that's one of the best things about Trendsi. You just connect it to your Shopify account or to your TikTok shop, and you just automatically start to sell. You just click on add to store or add to cart. Here again you have your cart, and you can just buy wholesale and then sell by dropshipping. And that was it for the video, guys. I hope that I've helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.